Can you combine radicals without simplifying first? Imagine you're working on a math problem and you see two radicals. You might wonder if you can just add them together right away. Well, let's find out what the rules are for combining radicals in algebra. Radicals are roots, like square roots or cube roots. To combine two radicals by addition or subtraction, they need to be like radicals. That means they must have the same index, which is the root degree, and the same radicand, the number inside the radical. For example, the square root of 5 and the square root of 5 are like radicals. But the square root of 5 and the square root of 6 are not. Now, sometimes radicals look different but can be turned into the same form. This is where simplifying comes in. For instance, the square root of 18 can be simplified to 3 times the square root of 2. If you have another radical with 3 times the square root of 2, then they are like radicals and can be combined. So, to answer the question directly, you cannot combine radicals without simplifying first if they are not already like radicals. If they are not like radicals, you need to simplify them to see if they can become like radicals. Simplification involves breaking down radicals into their simplest form. For example, simplifying the square root of 25 gives you 5, because 25 is a perfect square. When you combine radicals, think of it like combining like terms in algebra. You add or subtract the coefficients, which are the numbers in front of the radicals, but the radical part stays the same. For example, 3 times the square root of 11 plus 7 times the square root of 11 equals 10 times the square root of 11. If after simplifying, the radicals still don't match, then you can't combine them directly. For example, if you have two radicals, one simplified to 2 times the square root of 2 and another to 3 times the square root of 3, they are not like radicals. No matter how much you simplify, they won't become like radicals because their radicands are different. In summary, you need to simplify radicals first to check if they are like radicals. Only then can you combine them by addition or subtraction. If they are not like radicals even after simplifying, they must stay separate. This process keeps your work neat and makes solving radicals much easier. Remember, simplifying radicals is like getting everything into the same language before you can combine them.